Unlock the secrets of mastering technology with Deepnet Education, where your journey to becoming an IT expert begins. Imagine having access to engaging video tutorials that transform complex IT skills into easy-to-understand lessons. Stay ahead of the curve with our tips and tricks on the latest technologies, from AI tools to cloud computing platforms. Dive into our exclusive ebooks covering crucial topics like cybersecurity best practices and network troubleshooting. Learn how to analyze and leverage data for informed decisions with our comprehensive data analytics tutorials. Explore the world of digital marketing with our guides on SEO, social media, and email strategies to grow your business. Gain insights into effective corporate management, mastering team and project management in any corporate environment. Our content is curated by industry experts, ensuring you receive practical, real-world knowledge and skills. Stay updated with the latest trends and methodologies in technology, from AI to cybersecurity. Join the Deepnet Education community and empower yourself with the knowledge to innovate and excel in the tech world.